Hi everyone, welcome back to Shib. Experts have demonstrated that $10 is genuine, so be ready and stop working forever. Shib updates. In order to increase its payment options, TOA recently joined with the loan payment gateway BitPay. As a result, it is now accepting 16 cryptocurrencies, including well-known ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba Inu. This collaboration will provide collectors and enthusiasts greater freedom to buy NFTs with the cryptocurrencies of their choice. In this video, we'll discuss how experts have demonstrated that $10 is real, get ready and never work again. Shib updates. Without further ado, remember to give the channel a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to watch our most recent content on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Now let's start the video. Two of these well-liked NFT editions, created by law-based illustrator and animator Ronald Kwong, also known as Seer Light, are now exclusively available for purchase on Topi's platform through Ethereum. The platform now offers Hunters in the Snow, a painting by Peter Bruegel the Elder, and Mirage, a piece inspired by the KHM's amazing architecture. With its headquarters located in Lisbon, Portugal, TOA is a digital marketplace that specializes in non-fungible tokens. Users can easily explore various NFTs, discover new artists, and engage in the expanding digital art market on the platform, which offers an intuitive interface for buying and selling a variety of digital collectibles, such as virtual real estate, virtual clothing for avatars, and virtual art. The official Sherm documentation is ready, according to a message from a member of the Sherm Tech Telegram group. However, savvy developers have not yet released it since they are still going over the finer points with KDEA, the primary developer for Shiba Inu. The administrator also mentioned that developers might produce something other than the docs. What may still need to be seen is that the docs are finished. And the admin wrote that we'll release more items than docs if possible. The reason for the brief delay is that it's being checked with a call to make sure everything is okay. Particularly well-known Shiba Inu influencers recall that the developers had first said they would release the documentation a week after the beta version of the proposed Ethereum Layer 2 solution launched. The beta version launched on March 11th, which is now almost 2 weeks ago. Additionally, in a Twitter thread on March 16th, a call had stated the docs would ship in 4 to 5 days. Shib Knight at Army Shiba and Lucy at Lucy Shib also shared the message on Twitter. You can see the tweets below. Bears also out that the project has received a lot of criticism recently, the most serious of which is that someone has claimed that the code was lifted from another future project called Renia. However, the creator of Renia has refuted this charge. Theonymous shibainu lead developer Shoi Kusama previously pledged that Sharam would draw in users from outside the Shibu ecosystem and act as a leader in the platform. It also promises to burn Shib with every transaction, which excites the community about the possibility of a drastically discounted token. Supply that can witness a rise in price because to their holdings value. Shiba Inu is a peer-to-peer network token built on the Ethereum blockchain that is not governed by a central authority or middlemen. Shiba Inu has become quite popular because of its low cost, which makes it possible for microtransactions. Shiba Inu has produced amazing returns, turning many people become millionaires or even billionaires. Its success can also be linked to its sound rationale, which has paid holders extraordinary gains and helped it establish itself as a stable member of the top 20 cryptoverse with daily trading volume of almost $500 billion. Based on on-chain data, Shiba Inu is now having difficulty recovering from a recent downturn. The Shib's pricing could be hampered by a slowdown in network expansion and pressure from long-term holders wishing to sell their holdings. Comeback recent data from Glassnode shows a declining. There have only been 1,759 new addresses added to the Shiba Inu ecosystem since the beginning of March, which is a sharp decline from the 5,575 addresses added just 1 month earlier in February. This decline may indicate that people are becoming less interested in the coin or are shifting their attention to other virtual assets. The Shiba Inu community is facing challenges beyond a decline in the number of new addresses. Sentiment data indicates that holders of long-term tokens appear to be liquidating their holdings, which has resulted in a substantial sell-off and further depressed prices. Unless the trend reverses, the decline in new addresses on a blockchain network can indicate a lack of interest in the platform's core services, which could present a challenge for shibing in the coming weeks. On-chain data indicates a lag in active addresses, which measures the number of participants involved in successful transactions on the network. The most recent information, the drop in active Shiba Inu addresses to just 106,000 over the last 30 days, indicates that SHIB users may not have been as motivated to use the token for transactions. This trend's likely reason is the SHIB's recent poor performance, which resulted in a notable 18.65% decline in the same time frame. The popular cryptocurrency may recover at all under the current circumstances, but market analysts and SHIB investors are forced to speculate. One interesting development is the SHIB's burn rate, which has increased by an astounding 5,000%. In normal circumstances, a rising burn rate typically leads to an asset's increased value due to decreased supply. This phenomenon is rooted in the fundamental principles of supply and demand, which state that when an asset becomes scarce and demand remains consistent or expands, its price should appreciate. Despite this surge, the token's value has remained flat, with no significant change observed over the past fortnight. May retake control if SHIB breaches its present resistance level at 0.0012, which would cause the price to rise more steadily. Shibainu has demonstrated signs of life recently, rising 5.6% in the last few days from 0.102 to 0.178. Despite underperforming in the past, Shibainu remains a beloved and favored token among cryptocurrency enthusiasts thanks to its large and devoted community. Many investors have taken notice of this slight but noteworthy increase and are now keeping a close eye on the token's performance. Inu's success can be attributed to its ambitious future plans, which include building its own stablecoin, dubbed Shiba, a blockchain, and becoming a global exchange of value, which has garnered the support of numerous cryptocurrency investors and supporters. Investors are also aware of Shiba Inu's intentions to introduce the Shiba blockchain. Shiba seeks to give developers a platform to construct decentralized apps, or DApps, and to establish a completely community-driven ecosystem. This action by Shiba Inu is anticipated to boost the token's usefulness and maybe raise demand and value for the token. Over the past 24 hours, the Shibu community lead burn initiatives have collectively eliminated 27,668 SHIB from circulation forever via 10 unique transactions. The Shiba Inu community is still motivated to lower the quantity of SHIBs and create greater value for their particular token. Despite the large burn, the wallet that is mysterious manages to send 14,1980 SHIBs to the burn addresses in a single, strong transaction, making it the most significant burn transactivity of the day. Over the previous day, the Shiba Inu's overall burn rate decreased by -96.34%. 1B789M1 15,447 SHIB has been set on fire by Shibu community through several transactions over the last 7 days. The biggest burn transaction happened yesterday when the recently released coin, Koyokyo, transferred an incredible $758 million to the dead wallet in a single transaction. Since March 10, KU has been actively contributing to the Shiba Inu burn.